It's a good day to have a good day. Just moved into the penthouse. We got 10-foot ceilings and a waterfront view. Let's check this out. We got the shoes off. No shoes because I'm tired of cleaning floors. RO water, because if you know, you know, tap water is bad for you. It's poison. This is the laundry unit here. Take a look at the money maker in a second, but we got the laundry, fancy machines. We got an extra hall closet. These doors are massive, by the way, 10-foot ceilings. This is 3 feet wide by 8 feet tall doors. They're huge, but let's take a look at what we did with the place. It is beautiful. This is all water. Got a little pelican, seagulls flying by all the time. Got a this is a brand new building, brand new apartment, brand new in Tampa. Everything is beautiful and brand new. So we got this side over here, which is, oh, there's the big pelicans. They're massive. They're like 3.5 feet long. They look like dinosaurs or wide. Absolutely crazy. And then we'll flip around here. Got the other side of the balcony and then the patio balcony door. Beautiful view. We have our own island over there. Okay, temperature has adjusted and the fogginess has gone away. So we got some furniture, just put that in, built that and put that in yesterday. And then the patio continues to wrap all the way around, all the way down here. So right here, we're going to be putting some turf so we can do some stretching because the sun rises right over there. And so we can get some sunrise, stretching, movement. This balcony is massive. And down there, St. Pete's down there. You can see that, downtown St. Pete. And then Tampa is behind that building over there. It's super windy outside. So here is the main area and here is my room. Don't judge, still getting unpacked here. But can you beat this setup? I mean, look at this. I literally sit right there, look to my right, and there's an island. It's crazy. Got some more plants that are gonna be coming in, so I got some pots for those plants. And of course, little bookshelf. I have the books to undo, haven't undone those yet. And then I put my projector there because I have an empty wall and I'm not gonna put a TV, so maybe I can do a projector sometime. But we're working on the supplement brand. NeuroGum's keeping us going in the mornings, but working on my supplement brand. And got kicked off a TikTok shop because of some stupid identity verification stuff. So I just fought that appeal and won, so that was great. So we got that going, and this is me as a baby on a mouse pad because it's funny. So can't beat that working view right there. I'm gonna set up the camera here so you can see that in the background as well. Beautiful. And of course we have the closet and massive. These lights are confusing. Think you have to hold it? Yeah, they're dimmers. Anyways, massive bathroom and shower. The shower is super tall, so I had to order a new shower curtain because it's like barely fitting and it falls off and then the water goes everywhere. So I had to get like a 7-foot one. I think the normal ones are 6 feet. And dual vanity. Pretty cool because when I'm getting ready here, you can see the water in the background. So that's just a cool little thing. So this is somewhat gonna be the camera angle here. Gonna push it back there obviously a little bit more. But something that's really cool as well is I have all of my control my apartment on here. So I can go turn off these hallway lights that I just turned on to show you the entry. Can control the temperature, lock the front door. It is pretty sweet. So we beat the TikTok shop seller center violation that took down my account, so I'm pretty stoked on that. So now I can get right back to work on cranking out content. Also looking into some AI UGC stuff, so that's interesting. Starting to learn how to do that, learning how to utilize AI videos and like genuine AI videos, not like the crazy Bigfoot videos that you see. It's funny because it's like sensational and it's a new thing, so it's gonna get traction, but it's not going to like really, I don't think it's not going to really be able to make money for your brand unless you're throwing like a funny t-shirt on top of, or having Bigfoot wear the funny t-shirt or whatever. But for my brand, what I'm doing with these my holistic supplements here, we have a mushroom complex 10 in 1, 10 of my favorite functional mushrooms, and then an Irish sea moss to get all of your nutrients and vitamins and minerals, all the micronutrients, and then birch chaga truffles for digestive and gut health, and then the other 2 are capsules. These ones are just truffles that you can eat, because it was actually inspired by my little sister, because she doesn't swallow pills, she never has, and so she's like, can you make something chewable? So that's a little life update, little bit of a tour of the apartment, and we're gonna run it up big here. I'm excited. We got some big things coming. We have obviously a lot, like I've created my own supplement brand that I never thought in a million years I'd be doing that. But I have a lot of really cool stuff coming that I'm really excited about. So you'll be seeing tons of that more out in short form content, long form content. Gonna be doing some more vlogs, day in the life stuff. We have an incredible pool area that is a saltwater pool, and the pool itself is waterfront as well. Like it's 10 feet from the water. It's absolutely incredible. So we're gonna be making tons of content. I'm gonna be running up this brand, showing how I'm using different things to build my supplement brand and build other stuff, utilize TikTok Shop Seller, utilize the opportunity of selling on socials right now. All of these different things going on, so much going on. So make sure to follow along. And if you don't want to, great, I don't care. But make sure to follow along, because you're going to be missing out on a lot of great stuff if you don't. And we'll see you on the next one.